Welcome to Perspectives for 2014, our first edition. So as it's still January, may I wish you a very happy new year and a very successful 2014. I wanted to speak a little bit about a number of topics, the first one being the animal health legislation which is in front of the European Parliament at present. We really want the focus to remain on what is intended, and that is communicable diseases. There are many other matters which are subject of debate but are controlled by different pieces of legislation, and we should make sure we have clear separation of the different pieces of legislation. One of the controversies that continues is in relation to antibiotics and control of resistance. It is a very important and serious matter, and we have very clear views on what should happen, and there are two things. One is responsible use, to make sure that products are used correctly, and secondly is transparency at the use phase, and this is where we believe the veterinary surgeon should supply data electronically to the authorities on a confidential basis, showing use by farm, which can then be looked at by the authorities, and if use is out of line, assistance can be provided to make sure that use returns to a responsible use pattern that would be normal for a farm of that size in that region of Europe. Finally, 2014 is the year when we expect the veterinary legislation and the medicated feed legislation to be updated. So we're really looking forward to this, and it's very important that we have this updated legislation, because we need to really develop the single market, and this in turn ensures availability of medicines right across Europe for all animals, not just food producing animals but also companion animals. This is really important. And secondly, it's important that we simplify the procedures for licensing products so that we reduce the administrative burden, as we call it. The cost of licensing medicines is extremely high and continues to escalate to the point where it's inhibiting innovation. So we have a really great opportunity this year to change that situation and to actually make more medicines available across Europe for more animals, to the benefit of animal health and welfare, and also to the benefit of public health. So I hope you enjoy reading the rest of Perspectives, and thank you for your attention.